Hello and welcome. Now I'm going to show you how you can make any order on the Foco Media platform. Now you can see that I'm having 158 Rwandan francs on my the Foco Media account. To check the price for any order, you are going to navigate to services. Now you can see the prices, but you can even search. Let me look for Instagram followers. Here you can see the list of Instagram followers we are having now in the system. This is the name, this is the minimum you can make on this order, and this is the maximum. And here this is the price for 1,000 followers. Now you can see the description. The complete time it is estimated to be in 5 minutes. You can even navigate to new order where you can make an order directly. You can navigate to add funds if you want to add funds to your account. You can use MTN if you are in Rwanda, and Airtel. You can even use bank wherever you are in the world. To cut it short, let's go in new order. Now we are going to make an order of likes. Here on my Instagram account, you can see that this post is having only 4 likes. Now we are going to buy likes for this post. When you click here, you are going to see the link to this post. But when you are using the phone, you are going to click here on share, then click on copy link. After copying this link, you are going to go back to the account. You are going to paste it here in account link. And keep in mind that when you are buying likes, views or comment, you put the link to the post. But when you are buying followers or subscribers, you are going to put the link to the account, not the link to the post. Now here in the category, we are going to select Instagram likes. The services that we have in the system will be automatically generated. Now in these services, the more you buy the expensive service, the more the services are good and reliable. So let me select this one. So now the quantity, let me put 120. The amount of money will be auto-generated, which is 97 Rwandan francs. Now I can click on order now. The order is now being processed. The amount has been reduced and the balance is only 60 Rwandan francs. When you navigate to orders, you are going to see this recent order. When you click here on the order status, you are going to see the order is in process and the start account is 4, which is the likes I had before pressing the order. You can see that likes are now 174 and it has already been updated.